Welcome. Today in front of me Vivo Y33S, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should go to the screen where you want to add the widget. You can select one from the available screens, or for example I'll go in with the new one to show you how we can do that. And just for a while hold on the screen and go to the widgets section. Here right now you can see all the available widgets that you can add to your screen. For example, I'll go in with the clock one, and now just press for a while and drag it where you want to add the widget. For example, here, if you want, you can also change the size of your widget by this way. You can also move between the screens your widget. Just hold and drag it. And if you want, you can add one more widget to the same screen by the same way. Just go to the settings, to the widgets, and for example we'll add the calendar. And also we can just change the size of the widget by this way. Also we can move this widget here to the another screen, to the new one, and we can move it back. If you want to just remove the widget from the screen, just hold for a while and drag it here up to the remove icon, and we can by the same way remove the second widget too. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.